Hey everybody, so I have a haul today. I've been working on videos, some aren't quite finished. Wanted to touch base because our air conditioning went out, so it's been really hot to do canning and stuff. I'm really hot right now, and I didn't want you all to be bothered by the people coming to look at it. You know, we're fixing to see who we're going to hire, what it'll cost, that stuff. And whenever people are coming to the door and stuff, all the dogs go off and it's just chaos, and you don't want to hear all that noise. So, but I do have a haul today. I have a couple of other videos. I've got to do one clip to finish one, and then yeah, I got stuff coming. It's just so hot. It's so hot I can't even think. So, anyways, I'm going to start back here with this big thing so I can get it out of the way. And this is a 6-pack of graham crackers. So we can make pie crusts or s'mores or whatever you might need. Can you see? I got this Heart Smart Bisquick. I got another package of this chata seasoned meat. This is pork. They have that at Walmart. I got one small ham. I got some less sodium spamarooni. I got some bacon spamarooni. I got another jar of the strawberries because Linda's Kitchen says they are good. Those look really small. I got some seasoned spinach. I like the Glory and Margaret Holmes brands. They're pretty good. I got some seasoned green beans. I got squash and Vidalia onion. That's for my husband. More green beans. So I got 2 of those. I got a jar of roasted bell peppers because I want to make some red pepper hummus. I got some apricot preserves, some orange marmalade, and those are usually for sauces. There's a gnat in here. If you guys had problems with gnats from the grocery stores, I have some green chili enchilada sauce. I have some green Cholula. I got some Tapatio. I got some sweet chili sauce. I got some orange sauce. I got some pumpkin, cherry pie filling. And then because I got the cherry pie filling, when I get pie fillings and things like that, I get Dream Whip. And then when you make your pies and things like that, if you can't find your whipping cream or Cool Whip or whatever, you have a whipped topping. And I buy these as well, these little mini pie crusts. There's 6 in there, and you can put your fruit filling. What's really good is the lemon curd, and then some of your Dream Whip, or make mini banana cream pies, stuff like that. So this is really good to have on your shelf for a complete, like this right here is a complete pantry dessert. So you're good to go. Even your pumpkin pie, which I also keep this on hand. I buy extras of this for my dogs. You should have a extra food pantry for your dogs that includes rice, carrots, green beans. I would even grow extra in the garden for your dogs just in case, you know, and if they don't need it, then you can always use it. I got 2 cans of mixed vegetable medley. I got 2 cans of stewed tomatoes. Did your moms ever make those with like chunks of bread in them? That was a side dish growing up. I got some Parmesan cheese. I got some more of my mullein leaf tea. That's really good for lung health. Clears the mucus and everything out. And it's really good to recondition your lungs if you've quit smoking. I got 2 of these rapid clip green twines for next year's garden. I got some cheddar cheese powder. I got 6 packages of Colgate, and this was $6 on Amazon. I got some iodized salt to put on the pantry shelf. And where did I put them? I got fungicide and I got an insecticide for next year's garden because this was the buggiest year I've ever experienced growing a garden here. It was wormy, grasshoppers. It was crazy. So yeah, a lot of bugs in the garden this year. So I have everything pretty much I think I need for next year's garden. So I just got to keep up on my compost bin and we should do all right. So that's my little haul. This is just kind of stuff we use every day, stuff for the garden, stuff for the prepper pantry. I feel good about winter. I'm ready. So if they want to send me that craziness like we got last year, I'm ready. And if you guys would like to see what I have for cooking in a grid down situation, I will show you guys that. Kind of have a setup outside for summer, and I have items that I can use to cook inside if you have like waist high snow and minus 15 degrees and no electricity. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you, check in and let you know I'm still here. It's just super hot, and we're working on getting the air conditioner fixed, and I just didn't want to subject you to the chaos, so I thought I would do this video really fast before it all starts up again. So I hope you all are doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay cool, and I will see you all in the next video.